Guys, Mr. and Mrs. Pickers, I have a Master, and it is a number 7. Let me show you number 3 here. There's a Master number 3. Give you a quick comparison of size. Here we are. And here is a Master M5. So you can see the size difference. It's very small. I mean, here's a pick, so I mean, it's very tiny. So let's get in this thing if we can. Hopefully it's not too incredibly difficult here. I got a tiny tension wrench. Oh, it is locked. I do not have a key for it. Let me adjust my footing here. Get a little bit more comfortable. Okay, restart. Go to the bottom of the keyway, the back of the keyway rather. Cool, there it is. Start at the back of the keyway, and we're in. So that's it, guys. And like I said in my last video, I may not have a key for this lock, but I do know the key to life. And the key to life is Jesus. If you don't know Him, ask Him to come into your life. It will change your life. He is the key to eternal life. And thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.